Hello my beautiful people, thank you so much for being here. I'm drinking my magnesium drink that is really important to consume. It's for the pregnancy, it's important to drink magnesium. It's been a while that we had some kind of chit chat, and I thought I'm gonna give you some heads up about what is going on, how am I, what am I doing. I'm working on this painting, as you can see behind me. I'm gonna have an exhibition in Krakow in August, so that's where I'm working on, that's why I'm working on this painting. Unfortunately I can't bring it there, so we're gonna figure out a different way that I'm gonna take a photo of it and send it, and the curator is gonna print it, so it's a little bit yeah, a lot of things are happening. The topic of the exhibition is really great because it's about water, the body of water. I really love the whole concept, and the other artworks are so gorgeous and wonderful. I really like them. And what am I doing is that because I'm pregnant, I have obviously this topic in my head all the time when I'm making art. So also the piece that I'm working on is connected to pregnancy, and probably later I will talk about it, but it's coming together. There's a lot of work on it, obviously. I realized that I haven't talked about my pregnancy like at all, which is crazy. I feel really great. I feel really tired though, but all my pregnancy was really amazing and I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it's really a fantastic journey for sure. I'm gonna talk about it, I think, in a separate video, because this video is not about that. Soon the last month is starting, so I'm really excited, and yeah, I want to share with you some thoughts of mine in another video next time. But now I'm gonna work on the painting, and then I'm gonna make lunch. Yeah, and tomorrow we're going to the sea, so probably I will film that as well. I hope you are doing fine, and yeah, let me know in the comment section, because it's been a while that you guys wrote about yourselves for me. So please tell me how you are, how's your summer going. I'm gonna make lunch now, which gonna be pesto pasta, that you can find it in my videos here, the recipe. It's a really fresh and healthy recipe now that it's summer and it's hot. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to the hills and we're gonna watch the falling stars because that's the time now. Tonight is the time. I look so crazy. Hello, little ducks. Gente, guardati.
Andiamo a vedere un po'.
So we saw like 7, 8 falling stars that you didn't see. There's nothing but to show you. So here it is, the finished painting. I hope you like it. Now I'm gonna take a photo of it. There's another painting that I'm working on that is still really in the beginning. I have just the idea of the topic, what I want to paint. I hope you enjoyed this week or this couple of days with me. Tell me if you want a Q&A, because I realized that it's been a while that I made one. Maybe you're interested about the art projects that I've been working on, or my pregnancy, or you know, whatever. So tell me if you want a Q&A, then maybe I will make a live Q&A next week. And have a great weekend and week. Ciao!